Hey guys, welcome to Ace Academy channel. Before I discuss this video content, I would like to ask you to subscribe my channel so that you will receive my new videos coming out every week, and also remember to like and share my videos to your friends and families. Alright guys, let's get started. In this video, I will discuss the significance of acquiring new skills, as well as 10 steps for acquiring new skills quickly, as well as some tips for achieving your learning objectives. Developing new skills might need time and perseverance. However, if you devote to learning a new skill, you may boost your job progression chances, broaden your professional network, and grow your knowledge base. Why is it crucial to acquire new skills? Personal development can be extremely advantageous for your career, as it can position you to take on new challenges and capitalize new knowledge to advance. Employers will also value your dedication to your career and their company if you demonstrate a willingness to learn new skills. Additionally, gaining new skills can open doors to professions that you may not have initially thought. If you acquire new customer service skills, for instance, you will be more qualified for higher-level sales, advertising, and related positions. How to acquire new skills fast. You are aware that you need to acquire new skills, but you want to do so as fast as possible so that you can immediately begin to reap their benefits. Use the following steps to get there faster. 1. Establish your educational objective. Setting a goal to achieve is the initial step in acquiring new skills fast. For example, if you want to improve your public speaking abilities, your learning objective may be to perfect the important skills for delivering an effective speech. After establishing your learning objective, you can develop strategies to acquire new skills. 2. Dissect your skill set. Next, divide your primary skill into distinct sub-skills that comprise the entire skill set. For example, if you want to discover new technology skills, you might create a list of all the separate, smaller skills to master, such as typing, document creation, and email file compression. 3. Identify possible impediments. After determining the most effective techniques for tackling your learning, you should identify any possible obstacles or difficulties you may have when acquiring these skills. Create a list of these obstacles, such as finances, time, and commute, and then introduce a list of motivations for acquiring this new skill, such as career advancement, additional income, and the ability to speak a second language for international travel. By comparing the two, you may decide how to make your progress more approachable and attainable. 4. Implement the 80/20 rule. The 80/20 rule refers to the notion that 20% of the learning approaches you identify and employ can result in 80% of your objectives being met. Consequently, if your objective is to master essential communication skills, the 80/20 rule suggests that you can master 20% of communication sub-skills, such as improving tone, using professional vocabulary and written messages, and learning to interpret body language in order to master 80% of your overall communication skills. 5. Concentrate on mastering a single skill at a time. Focus on one sub-skill at a time as you continue to acquire new skill. Taking on a new skill set can be intimidating, but by breaking it down into small, manageable chunks, you can methodically acquire the entire skill set. 6. Prioritize personal growth. Overcoming obstacles to your learning may also necessitate prioritizing your personal growth. This may involve setting aside time to practice or study your skills, as well as seeking out opportunities to advance your development. Putting your personal development first can assist you in acquiring new skills. 7. Establish additional long-term objectives. When approaching the acquisition of a new skill, you should consider setting more long-term than short-term objectives. While short-term goals may help you track your progress, concentrating on your outcomes as long-term goals can help you develop new strategies for overcoming barriers and keep you motivated, even when you encounter roadblocks. 8. Find practice opportunities. Seek out additional practice opportunities for the skill set you are acquiring. Consider volunteering at a community center. For instance, if your objective is to acquire new communication skills or initiate conversations with others. Or, if you want to acquire critical child care skills, you may volunteer at a local daycare, school, or youth center. The more chances you have to apply what you are learning, the higher your chances of achieving your objectives. 9. Look for additional sources. Look for additional learning aids and resources to help you develop your abilities. For example, if you are exploring new computer skills, you may want to borrow books from the library or enroll a community center to learn computer and typing skills at a community center or online. Finding additional ways to aid your progress can be a highly effective strategy for overcoming learning barriers. 10. Use errors as learning tools. Making errors can be a valuable tool for learning. As you train your skills, you could make errors, but understanding what not to do the next time moves you closer to your objective. As a software developer, for instance, learning new coding languages could result in minor mistakes, such as a cracked code or a forgotten lesson. Using these errors as a guide can help you determine where you went wrong, what needs to be fixed, and perhaps even provide insight into your next strategy. Tips for speedy skill acquisition. Developing new skills can require time, patience, and the desire to succeed. Consider the following suggestions when acquiring new abilities. Be patient with yourself, because acquiring a new skill set takes time and consistency. Being patient with your progress will help you stay motivated to reach your learning objectives, especially if you face obstacles. Keep track of your progress. Consider documenting your improvement as you achieve your learning objectives so that you can measure and track your development. It will display your progress and allow you to test yourself on previously mastered concepts. Make use of available resources by reading online guides, conversing with others in online forums, or joining a community of professionals who are acquiring the same skills. You can conduct research on the various methods for mastering the skill. Evaluate your new proficiency. Constant practice and evaluation of newly acquired skills is among the most effective ways to improve them. For example, you could practice your communication skills by conversing with new people, or you could conduct weekly self-assessments to evaluate your newly acquired technological skills. Well, guys, my video has come to an end, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel so that our channel can grow and bring everyone new videos with new things to learn. Bye bye for now, and see you in my next videos.